Hi. Our customer-facing teams had spent 14 weeks off the road, and at this point we reached out to Anthony to run a workshop readying the teams for re-engagement. We surveyed our staff and we found we had a wide range of feelings and concerns and wanted to provide the teams with some support in how they frame things up as we reach out towards our new normal. Anthony tailored his program to meet our specific needs and delivered an informative and inspiring upskill using Zoom technology. We particularly liked the use of the breakout rooms, and each of us walked away with a reminder about how we can manage our thinking and techniques to help us overcome mental barriers to high performance, and most importantly, to build resilience. This is much needed right now. Feedback has been really positive from the teams who attended and provides an anchor point for discussion for leaders and their teams moving forward. Thank you, Anthony.